The clients that use Jewish Family Service Association, many of them have illnesses and conditions that, by its very nature, prevents them from getting good health care. Even the most educated people have trouble navigating the healthcare system in an ideal situation. It's very complicated. What's so special about this clinic is that it is an integrated approach to helping clients get what they need.
I was very impressed. Dr. Friedman was very proactive. She recommended a number of things for me. She made a referral for the ophthalmologist. She wanted me to take classes at university hospitals and see a dietitian. I told her I was a little worried about the cost of all of this stuff. So she even wrote up a referral, so nothing is out of pocket for me.
I had bloody thoughts and short conversations, and I was underweight for 4 or 5 months maybe, and then they found a little time that helped me with vitamins, and they gave me vitamin D and multivitamins and a Risperdal.
She was going to an internist, which is fine, but he was taking very good care of her, but it was very different.
I take the picture.
You took the picture. She had never had a mammogram before. You know, she's 42 years old, so that was time, and they suggested that she do it, and they did it, and it was great. They did a cholesterol checkup and all that, which she's really never had.
Alyson Place is a very nice, it's a new facility, it's very nice looking, and the people seem friendly, and you don't have to wait long for a visit. They see you right away.
One of the things I really like about practicing in Alyson's Place is I get a little bit more time to spend with the clients. In my other practices, I get allotted about 10 to 15 minutes a client. Here, the shortest appointment's a half an hour, and that was by design. A lot of these clients have very complicated issues and a lot of challenges to communication and challenges to healthcare, but it's really played out to helping develop a special relationship with my clients. We've really gotten to know each other.
Well, the doctors are good with being able to recognize, if I'm not really going for my best at the appointments. They usually, give me a break and give me a chance to recollect myself. The nurses there, they're good to work with. They always get the doctor's opinion and get my opinion and see if they can make anything work for me.
Well, I like when she sees a woman doctor, if she needs anything, which is great. And they're like on the same level. They know what she is like, and they know what she's like, and they ask me if they need. So, I mean, it's all one big happy family.
Clients at Alyson's Place are as varied as any medical practice, which I think is what surprised me the most. I wasn't expecting the young 34-year-old who was abused by her husband and staying in the Hebrew shelter home. The young teenager who came to me just because she's a teenager at risk and was using the agency for those services. I have become humbled to realize how varied the clients are. I have seen executives and I have seen the homeless.
I use Jewish Family Services for my therapy and my psychiatrist, and now for Alyson's place. My medical health team communicates with one another, and they know when I haven't, they make my appointments around the same time, and they communicate, and I feel like they know me better here because it's a one-stop shop for everything.
We go to Florida all winter long, and at least I know that if something happens to her, she can go right there. So, I mean, that makes me very happy. We don't have to call from Florida. Well, can you get her in here? Can you get her in there? You know,
Oh, God.
It's just easy. What? Anything that happens good for these kids, I'm on. Because there isn't a lot, you know.
When people really need the services of this agency, it can literally be a lifesaver. It can save families' lives, the individuals' lives, and Alyson's place is just one of the components of that, but it's in the setting of a larger agency that is doing miracles every day.